Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2017 120D 5-door M Sport hatch. As you can see, this vehicle is presented in the mineral grey, features a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit. It is a facelift vehicle, as you can see there by the facelift LED headlights. In terms of the alloy wheels, they are the original 18-inch M Sport alloys. However, we have had those professionally refurbished in the gloss black. Down the side of the car, we've added the satin side vinyls, YNC Mperformance decals. The vehicle also features the sun protection glazing, as you can see on the rear windows. Inside, we've got the very nice option black Dakota leather throughout, as you can see there, and that also comes with the electric lumbar option, all of which has been kept in superb condition. It also comes with the magnificent 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, and of course, being the 5-door does make it that little bit more practical. In terms of the rear seat arrangement, it is of course a 3-seat Isofix rear bench with the wonderful darkened M Sport headlining, bringing that interior all together very well. Before heading to the back of the car, I will again show you off these 18-inch M Sport wheels once again. At the back there is facelifted LED rear lights. We've got rear parking sensors on this wonderful 1 Series. And if you've not had a chance to see the boot space for a 1 Series, you'd be very pleasantly surprised. They're a very, very big boot area, and they do also come with these handy little hook over items here. So put your bags on them, it does stop your shopping rolling around. I do use them very often on my own personal vehicle. I do have a 1 Series myself and highly recommend them to anyone. As you can see, once again, everything on the driver's side is a really lovely and clean and tidy example. And we'll now go through and just show you a couple of the interior features, beginning with the BMW business navigation and media screen. So as you can see there, that's all working correctly. Having that sat-nav system is obviously a real benefit, and especially one that's so easy to use like the BMW system is. So I'll zoom in a little bit, as you can see there. Bluetooth audio and telephone, DAB radio, as well as a wide array of other multimedia inputs, such as your Bluetooth, AUX and USB inputs. It's actually covered just under 20,000 miles, this 120D, so it's a low mileage car, and that really does show in its condition, both interior and exterior. Comes with a cruise and speed limiter, voice and volume controls, and of course the paddles for that magnificent 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. In terms of the vehicle's service history, there's 2 recorded services from BMW, and we shall also be shortly servicing the vehicle ourselves, as it is coming up to our service parameters. However, as you can see, it has got a very good service history. So there is a look around a very nice 120D M Sport 5-door hatch. If you'd like some more information on the car, as always in the description is a link to our website, and you can view all you'll need to know from there, including the prices and the funding options that are available for this 120D M Sport 5-door. Thank you all so much, and we shall look forward to seeing yourselves very soon. Take care, bye bye.